Y'all, she's wanting to jump in these weeds and that. I didn't realize there were cactus in here, but something's been gnawing on it good. But I better keep her out of the bushes. I'd hate to have to pick that stuff out of her. Oh well, come on. Y'all see my ugly tarp job? We made it though with it. Let me get up here and video this before I forget. Come on, let's run. Let's run. You want to run? Woo! She said, I like to run. No, come on, leave it alone. She's hot on the trail or something, but yeah, look how ugly that tarp job is. All those boxes were banded together, sideways and frontways. But yeah, it's been flapping right there. I meant to throw a strap over that, but I forgot, because my ass was whooped. I ain't been that tired in a long time, but we made it. Yeah, I'm in here, the guy's not answering his phone. Some more guys in trucks, they pulled in behind me. I told them they could go around me, and they went all the way down there, but one guy, he said it's not going to be down here, but I was looking for some stuff like I got. I'm backing up, and the guy's not answering his phone, so I didn't know if this road circled around the whole building or not, but there's nobody on top up here to talk to. Hello?
Hi, this is the brother Garcia from Cobalt.
Yes.
I have your number. You are the driver for
Yes. So,
where are you? Are you on the black truck?
yeah. Where am I going? You see me?
Yes, I see you going backward.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Yeah, I was going to back up to the front. But Ken, he said had me bring me in here, so.
Yes, let me get there with my white truck, and I will, you can follow me.
Okay. Do I need to keep backing up?
We can stay there.
I think this is the guy that is coming to get me right here, but if this is my guy, and I was just down there, they told me to come back up here. Woo, this is fun. Ain't it right? See? Like, hell no. I hope he ain't going left right here. Brian's going up there. They're heading to that Continental forward, and God bless them. May not ever see them again. There we go. And I'm looking at the building, that was in front of me, because this right here to the right is not quite a building yet, so that's why I told him, I'm like, point me where you want me to put this truck at. Alright. I ain't gonna video all of it. Yeah. Hell yeah, we got progress going now. That's all right. Well, I got all my mist pulled off of here. They're fixing to take that off. We went and got some dunnage. I didn't realize that was one big pallet they made for all those boxes. They're setting it on top of that container over there. I guess if they get in with a thief comes in, they're wanting to make it difficult on them. That water plant I delivered to, that guy, he was telling me that most of the break-ins he has on the job site, they're an inside, somebody told him it's an inside job because they know exactly where to go. That's the way to do it right there. Push it down on there. Kick it. There you go. Come on, help him out. There you go. Good job. He meant to do that. I guess the boss man's like, now let me just take over. The boss man ain't goofing off. He's getting it done. They sent me a load. I hadn't looked at it yet. Perfect. And there he got another one. The last one. I guess just like that, I got another one in the books. Well, we are headed on out of here. I stayed an extra minute. I made sure I did 2 hours and 1 minute, so I wouldn't screw it up. It really doesn't matter. We're delivering south of Dallas. I looked it up, so we'll probably just get through San Antonio and then park somewhere 45 up there. I think that's the way we'll go, up 45. Is that the way out? No. One more. I don't know what all this is going to be, but it's going to be a whole lot of it. My load ready. We give you some dropping hooks there. We'll find out in a minute. Buckle up. Y'all, I was gonna go down to the road that I turned on this morning and come down to this road and just park where I did this morning, but when I was here before, it was a dropping hook and I got to go right in. But it ain't no dropping hook today, and there is a line of trucks. Y'all look at this line. I don't know if I can count that high. Some of them are delivering, but they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in there. I'm getting 24 foot and 32 foot pipe, so that's a prime pulling in behind me. He's delivering. That's one. Well, these are all delivering. That'll be alright. She asked me if I had a CV, and I told her no, because I ain't fixing to sit here and listen to this damn CV and listen to her call these people. And you do that, you can't go to sleep, so darn, I forgot to count them. At least all these are delivering. But they need to go down to the border. Hell, it's just right there and pick up some of these people that are coming here for this American dream. And I don't know what this car thinks it's gonna do, because it's not like I can do nothing. That guy's wanting him a new door. Oh my God, they are all the way down here. This is freaking crazy. Sorry! Wow, look at we're still in this hostage situation out here. I guess we've gotten all the delivery trucks out of the line, but the line is still growing. Still growing. She's out here sniffing. Yep, we only got 4 hours and 6 minutes left on our clock. I don't know how far that's gonna get us, but we rolled out, I think at 12:34 this morning, so we ain't gonna be doing all 4 hours of it, I don't think. Nope. I got some of my Southeast Regional teammates back here. I'm gonna have to go speak to them in a minute. Get it, girl, get it. Where is it? Where is it? Where's them kitty cats at? Where's them kitty cats at? You saw a kitty cat? Where's them kitty cats? Boy, look at that mirror standing tall. Okay, come on. Come on.
What's up, YouTube? This is one of the best flatbedders right here.
Yeah, he's lying. They seen the videos. Well, I didn't video it, but I'm in here. That's what it looks like. So I had to scale, stay on there 10 seconds, then pull in over here, and after I'm loaded, I gotta throw a couple straps and then get back on the scale, and that's gonna be fun. I don't know how I'm gonna do that from right here. I ain't gonna try and back on it. I guess I'll back all the way across. And then I gotta scale again. And then go and get my paperwork.